आज असेंब्लीचो पयलो दीस 2 दिसांचें सेशन कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑब्लिगेशन कंप्लीट करपा खातीर ह्या सेशनाचें दिसता आनी त्या सेशनाचो आयचो पयलो दीस. पूण आयचे पयले दीस सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट एट ऑल प्रिपेर्ड टू आन्सर द क्वेश्चन्स वीच वी हॅव आस्क्ड. आज सगळ्यांत पयलो क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो पोस्टपोन स्टार क्वेश्चन बाब रेजिनाल्डाचो, तो सांगतलो. म्हजो क्वेश्चन आशिल्लो ऑन कोवीड डेथ्स इन द स्टेट ऑफ गोवा. ताजेर म्हाका आज सकाळी पर्यंत रिप्लाय ना आनी म्हणून हांवें एनावन्सूय केलें ना, पोस्टपोन म्हणूनय कोणें एनावन्स केलें ना. सो आय वेंट टू द स्पीकर अँड शोड हिम दॅट दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन, दिस इज अ सिरियस क्वेश्चन. आज रिपोर्ट पब्लीश जाला. कमिटी अपॉइंटेड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट हॅज गिवन इट्स रिपोर्ट वेच इट डायरेक्टली होल्ड्स गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द डेथ्स बिकॉज ऑफ शॉर्टेज ऑफ ऑक्सिजन. So I said government should take the responsibility and government should fix the responsibility also. Chief Minister cannot escape the responsibility. Because ultimately it is a collective responsibility of the government to protect the life of the people. Medical college responsible म्हटलं म्हणून प्रश्न सुटना. मेडिकल कॉलेज गव्हर्मेंटाचे, मेडिकल कॉलेज प्रायव्हेट न्ही ते. आन्सरां म्हणटा ती कसलीच येना. आज चीफ मिनिस्टरान असेंब्ली भितर एडमीट केलें की लाडली लक्ष्मीच्यो ज्यो पळय त्यो स्किमी आसा वेगळ्यो त्या स्किमीचे 3 म्हयने पर्यंत पेमेंटच जावना. आमी 19 डिसेंबराक क्लियर करतले अशें म्हणून ताणें एश्युरन्स दिली. म्हणजे अशा परिस्थितींत राज्य चलयतले कशें हें सरकार? लॉ अँड ऑर्डराचेर आज म्हजें कॉलिंग एटेन्शन आशिल्लें. 2 दिसांक 4 मर्डर, तातूंतले दोन मर्डर दिसाचे सामके. म्हणजे एक फ्लॅटांनी मर्डर जाला, 2 सिस्टर्स मारल्यो गेल्यो, त्यो दिसा ढवळ्या फ्लॅटा भितर फोंड्या. पार्किंग प्लेसाचेर एक कोण सेक्युरिटी गार्ड आशिल्लो तो मेला. सामके दिसाचे म्हणजे रातचे बितचे न्ही. एक काणकोण एक मर्डर जाला, ती गोवान बायलेक मारल्या. अशा परिस्थितींत लोकांचो कायदा आनी हाजेर पळय ऑर्डरीचेर जें हें आसा लॉ अँड ऑर्डर सिच्युएशनाचेर तो विश्वास उरपा लागला. गोंयांत अशें केन्ना जावना 2 दिसांत 4 मर्डर, खंयचे कडेन कांयच येना. आतां गव्हर्मेंट सांगता की ना आमी शोध लावप हें सेपरेट. पूण हे आतां अशें जर फ्लॅटां भितर जर अशें 2 भयणीचे जर मर्डर जावपाक लागले दिसा ढवळ्या, जाल्यार लोकांचो विश्वास वता. आनी आज फ्लॅटां भितर फ्लॅट कल्चर वाडत आसा. भुरगो शिर्विसे वता, सून शिर्विसे वता, आवय बापूय जाणटी घरां आसता बाबडी. अशें जालें जाल्यार कोणाची गॅरंटी घेवपाक शकतलो? आनी म्हणून म्हाका दिसता हें विधानसभेचें शेवटचें अधिवेशन. ह्या अधिवेशनात एटलिस्ट प्रिपेर जावन येवपाचें वाट्याचें. आन्सरां ना, कितलेशे क्वेश्चन परते पोस्टपोन. आनी पोस्टपोन केन्ना केन्ना आन्सर करप तें? म्हणजे अत्यंत म्हत्वाचे क्वेश्चन्स आशिल्ले ते सुद्दां तांणी हें केल्या, पोस्टपोन केल्या. म्हणजे अशा परिस्थितींत ह्या सेशनाचो उद्देश कितें हें फक्त दिसता आय वॉश अशें म्हाका दिसता. कशें तें कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल ऑब्लिगेशन करपा खातीर तें घेतिल्लें आसा. म्हाका दिसता गव्हर्मेंट इज हेडिंग, म्हणजे ऑलरेडी गव्हर्मेंट हॅज एंटर्ड इन द फेज ऑफ फायनान्शियल बँक्रप्सी. ज्या पद्दतीन आज तांणीच एडमीट केलां की DSSचे ते ओल्ड एज पेन्शन, गृह आधार हातूंतले पयशे लोकांक मेळना. कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स अकाउंटंट बॉब मारत आहा, बोवाळ मारता की आमकां पयशे ना. 2-3 वर्सां जालीं अलॉटमेंट ना. फक्त कोणें पळय बँकेचे इंट्रस्ट ते बँका कडेन टायअप करून कोणाक इंट्रस्ट बॅक करपाक परवडटा. आतां थोडे मोठे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर आहा तांणी ते इंट्रस्ट बावड्यांनी बॅर करून आपल्याले पयशे घेतले. बारीक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हातूंत मेलो. बारीक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक कशे मेळटले पयशे? बारीक कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर ते इंट्रस्ट फारीक करपाक तो जोडटलो कितें, काम करतलो कितें? अशी आज ह्या राज्याची परिस्थिती आसा. तेन्ना म्हजें म्हणणें आसा की गव्हर्नरान हाची दखल घेवपाक जाय. हें सगळें जें कितें चल्लां ताची गव्हर्मेंटान दखल घेवन गव्हर्नरान रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी फिक्स करपाक लावपाक जाय ह्या सरकाराची. चलना कितें काम? कोणाचो पांय पोस कोणाक ना. विधानसभेन ते पळयलें जाल्यार तशेंच दिसता. पळोवपाक कांयच कोणाक केअर करना, कोणाक पडून वचूना. आनी ईच वन इज बिहेविंग एज इफ ही हिमसेल्फ इज दिस बॉदर्ड अबाउट अदर्स. अशें वातावरणात असेंब्ली भितर आमकां पळोवपाक मेळटा. 2 दिसांचें सेशन आनी मुखार सेशन म्हणटा तें आनी आसपाक कुसता. अशा परिस्थितींत सगळे क्वेश्चन्साची आन्सरां घेवन आन्सरां दिवपाचें सोडून सरकार जर अशे पद्दतीन वागपाक लागलें जाल्यार मागीर लोकशायेक आनी अर्थ कितें म्हणटा?
आज आमगे एक क्वेश्चन आशिल्लें आनी दीस क्वेश्चन आतां कुमदादीचे इश्यूचेर फ्रॉम 2012 हांव फॉलोअप करीत आहा. इन द सेन्स दॅट आमी एक केस जी प्रॉपर्टी डॉक्युमेंट्स फॉर्ज करून डॉक्युमेंट्स कोण म्युटेशन कोण प्रॉपर्टी फोर्सफुल पोजेशन गेन म्हणजे इलिगल पोजेशन गेन विकपा तयारी करता तेन्ना आमी ती केस 2013 फर्स्ट टाइम असेंब्ली रेज केली. कंटिन्युअस फॉलोअप कोण विथ तेन्ना रोहन काउंटी आहलो IT मिनिस्टर रेव्हेन्यू मिनिस्टर तेज फाटल्यान जेनिफर मोन्सेरात जाले कोण आय हॅव ब्रॉट इट टू इट्स लॉजिकल एंड. It is the first such case in the history of Goa where Kumdadi illegal mutation कोण property विकपा तयारी आहा तेन्ना हांवें काडलें आनी स्टॉप केलें. The Jennifer Monserrat, the revenue minister, has already passed an order because we have followed it up continuously to revoke the mutation and take it back to Cerula Comunidad. This is the first time such a case has been done. After सारखे फॉलोअप कोण आनी येसली केसी लागून हांव कुमदादी इशू रेज करिता मुगे क्वेश्चन आशिल्लें की असले कितले केस कॉम्प्रोमायज जाले कित केलां वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द कुमदाद वॉट टायप ऑफ केसीस हॅव बीन सेटल्ड वॉट एक क्वेश्चन जालें दे आर टेलिंग मी इट इज 35,000 पेजीस वॉल्युमिनस आन्सर दॅट्स वाय दे कांट रिप्लाय. आय ओनली वॉन्ट टू टेल यू इट कॅन बी मेड जाय जाल्यार हे गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसरान आनी हे गव्हर्मेंटान हो गव्हर्मेंट जो आहा तो लोकां trying to mislead the Goans. Even on property issues, in Goinkarank, land issues, identity issues, solta sana. So, 35,000 pages and reply in the Konaku. Purposely, Enkurpaku, I have asked only which cases are there. I have asked case numbers. I have not asked the whole cases. Kitkorapu, Hashakan, 100 pages galop, 200 pages galop, Aki page, Aki case, ती काडप आनी दिवप दोन्ही कम्युनिटीत दी एक सेरुला दी एक कुर्दरी दी आनी एक परवरी दी ओ एनी 3 कम्युनिटीज यू गिव मी आउट ऑफ ऑल द कम्युनिटीज तो रियासना दे कांट गिव मी कित्याक व्हाट इज द रीजन दैट्स व्हाई आई पुट अ चार्ज ऑन द गवर्नमेंट आर यू इन्वॉल्वड इन सम इलीगल एक्टिविटीज दैट इज व्हाई यू आर नॉट गिविंग मी द आंसर्स. सो दिस इज द क्वेश्चन व्हिच वी हैव बीन रेजिंग आमगे गोंयकारांक झूम इन मेळना झूम इन पावले हुई हिंगा outsiders are coming and forcefully taking over our land in connivance with somebody. ए भशेन जालो हा the total worth of this land which I have raised issue is 38,000 square meters. Just sketch at 25,000 or 30,000 rupees a square meter. Check how much it will be. This is the quantum of one scam which I have been raising. I will give you details of survey numbers, everything. Like this, there are many cases in Cerula Comunidad where the document, Portuguese document, translate केलेले attach करप आणि document ready करप, modus operandi, and selected people where Mamladar, the mutation who does it, there are some fixed people who are doing this. They are involved in this type of things. I can't get an answer from the government. For the last 5 years, I can't get an answer. This is the state of affairs. आज आम्ही असेंब्लीन ड्रग्सा इश्यूची उलयले जावं म्हणून होम इश्यूची उलयले. We are not getting any answers. The answer is very simple. Today he has said, the chief minister has replied. He has said, he was replying, it's not over. He is making a statement. He is saying that only this much cases are there out of 16 murders, all are detected. What about the cases which are not even registered properly? What about the Sidinai case where it is not even murder has not been determined in that case. A case of murder has not been instituted. What about so many other cases which have gone like this? Undetected, unaccounted. So this is the state of affairs of the state for the 5 years. So I blame the government. I said it will be in your tenure where the drugs have reached a stage where last chief minister used to ask me, just tell me who is doing drugs. A point has come, I have told him for him to ask me, now the next chief minister to ask me, that's he, to ask me who are not involved. This is the state of affairs and this is what is been projected in Goa, and I put a charge on him saying that it will be under his tenure, this is the state what has been reached to. Now we asked him measures what he is going to do next. We are waiting for it.
See, all these years we have been watching Minister doesn't seem to be very serious in his even written replies. Murders have taken place. We are today answering 3 murders, double murders and so forth. Nothing is given in details. What kind of weapons were used, who killed whom, how. See, replies are given in a wishy-washy manner. Every time people used to blame, एकदा भायले लोक आसले तेंच्यांनी हें केलें पूण आतां आमचे गांवचेच लोक दिसता. But why sometimes the emotional murders take place? What kind of weapons were used? All this is not mentioned in the answers. You see, just because they have a majority, they are ruling, and it's a sad reflection of the government, and it deserves to be censored. That's all I say. People should take note of it. You can't have wishy-washy government, not very serious about this. Because in Goa, which is a peaceful state, we can't have it like a Wild West. To get to lika ukolle maan le diye. Par maalna dale ki koi koi maalna. That is not the thing. But people should be aware that crime does not pay, and the law and order machinery should be tightened.
सर मागच्या काही दिवसात बघितलं विरोधक आक्रमक होताना दिसत नाही, काय कारण आहे नेमकं?
आक्रमक म्हणजे काय? आम्ही मगाशी वेलमध्ये सुद्धा गेलो प्रश्नाच्या वर. आणखी आक्रमक काय करायचं तुम्ही सांगा. आम्ही आणखी आक्रमक म्हणजे काय?
मारामारी करायची का?
वेलमध्ये जाणं म्हणजे इतर तिथे त्यांच्या मताने आक्रमकपणा ना. आम्ही वेलमध्ये जायचं नाही ते पुष्कळ जण म्हणतात. तुम्ही वेलमध्ये कशाला जाता? आम्ही बेंचवर राहूनच बोंब मारायची असं काही नाही वाटतं.
आज question hour they postponed for up to 12:30. They could have postponed the question hour for 15 minutes. The deliberate plan was of the government is to see that question hour cover करपाचे. The whole idea was because of the coal issue, because of the medical issue, oxygen issue, and because of the आज जे issue आहले. ते कितून question hour postpone करपाचे तांगे planning आहा. So आक्रमक आन्यान करपा आन्यान आक्रमक केलेले assembly कवा करून बिरान धाडली. They don't want assembly.
Assembly sessions.
2 दिसांचे assembly session. So तुम तेका विचारपा जाय. Now I feel that you should ask them why are you having 2 days section? Are you getting frightened of the opposition? So you tell them opposition is not blaming you. Opposition is not taking a task on you. Why don't you have more days? Ask him why he's not having. We are prepared. We are prepared for him. Come on. 10 days session you take.
आन्सर दिल्यानंच डिबेट जाता न्ही ती. आन्सरच ना जाल्यार डिबेट कशी करपाची?
आता कितले assembly sessions झाले? How many assembly sessions are without question hour, without proper deliberations, and without discussions? Bills have been passed. The first time in the history we have such a disgraceful government.
So you said that in the cases of crime, you were the chief minister for so many years. Yeah, you were the chief minister for so many years. Do you think that police is not acting properly or the laws are not?
I don't want to blame anyone as a machinery. We are there to manage the affairs of the state. We are elected. We have the responsibility. The Home Minister has responsibility. And be very strict. Even whether it's the government machinery, if it's not working properly, it's the duty of the government to see that they do work. Just by saying, we caught the criminal, but what was the weapon that was used? Even a written reply there.
मेले ते गेले नाही. आता पोलिसांचे रॉबर्ट्स असतात, कितलेशे कडेन रॉबर्ट्स असतात. आता जो इन्सिडेंट एक झाला पळय तो पार्किंग जाग्याचेर. अंजुणा देवडेन इन्सिडेंट जाला तो पार्किंग जाग्याचेर दिसाचो. म्हणजे पार्किंग कलेक्ट करपी फीस कोण तरी आहा ताजे आनी टुरिस्टांचे कितें तरी बाचाबाची जाली. थंय त्या टायमार पुलीस पावले जाल्यार ते एवॉर्ड जाता आशिल्लें. पुलिसाचे रोबोट भोंवत आसतात.
पयरान एक केस जाली
सर त्यांचं
शॉपिंग
postmortem
सेंटर
पोस्टमॉर्टम त्यांचं हार्ट अटॅक.
one second
Doesn't make
I'm
any
coming to that
sense.
I'm coming to that heart attack. पयर एक शॉपिंग मॉलान एक केस जाली. शॉपिंग मॉलान शॉपिंगाची डिस्कशन जालें मग तेका रिटायर्ड मिलिटरी ऑफिसरान मारलो, तकलेचे मारलो. तू what is this going on? Something is not wrong. Why is this happening? Why these incidents are happening? Don't you feel that there should be a study? तेक मारलो, तो बिल मेलो काय तो तकले हाडून मेलो, that's another thing, but मेलो. जोण एकल्या की फॅमिलींत कोण मरता ते जोण एकल्याक खबर आहा. तेक उलोवपाक सोंपें, तेका हार्ट अटॅक जाली आनी कितें जालें म्हणपाक. Please don't take things so lightly. It is a very serious matter. It is not so simple. I told the chief minister also when he was talking. एक माजरा इश्यू हांवें रेज केलो, एक भुरग्या आपोवन म्हूण. It is not so simple. एक माजरा आपोवप, माजरा एक किसी भुरग्या आपोवप न्ही. It is the manner in how you act, policing, the method of, there is something which is called professionalism. What is going on? For example, we raised one small issue. I have raised one small issue. I said, Italy, police is there every 10 meters. Still you are getting people drinking and driving. This police has been catching these people for the last 10 years. But why is it not stopping? Something is wrong. Simple case I am giving you. Everybody is drinking and driving. Shouldn't it stop? Because police have been taking action on this for too long, more than 10 years. Why is it not stopping? Well, something is wrong with the policing. Who is responsible for it? Are the police responsible, or the chief minister as a home minister who has not brought discipline among the action and discipline among the policemen to see that enforcement is done properly of the law and order situation? The law is very clear. The law is so clear that when you drink and drive, you are supposed to get a fine, or you are supposed to be put inside. Second offense, you are supposed to be put inside. If 1-2 cases are taken seriously and taken in a very, very strong, forceful manner, nobody will do it. It's as simple as that. So who is going to be failed? Somewhere down the road, the government, the home minister is responsible for it. Like Mr. Rani said, it is the duty of the home minister to manage the police.
The oxygen case is what is the result, sir?
Oxygen case, it is as per reports, as per everything, they have blamed the GMC. There is no question of blaming the GMC. Like the same, if anything happens, they blame the police. So if something happens, blame the GMC. GMC has been taking care of people for so many years, man. The doctors have been putting in their best. I was in the COVID section. I was roaming the COVID hospitals. If I tell you what was happening there, the interns and small doctors were looking after the patients. Patients were not, I think, only God has protected some of the patients. That was the scare. Initially, the doctors, you can't blame them because they didn't know what was happening. And when you have a person, you have the government in power who is blaming, who has brought a report saying that the GMC is responsible, just imagine what will be the state of affairs at that time. Now, after everything is over, they are saying GMC is responsible. After everything is over for blame game. And just imagine at that time what they would have done, whom they would have blamed. They would have said, Dr. Master killed this patient. Thank God it didn't come like that.
GMC is not a private hospital.
Yes, sir.
GMC is a government hospital.
Government
So
hospital.
it is a collective responsibility of the government. There is no question. Government cannot avoid the responsibility. So government has to take the responsibility in these things.
Digambar sir, then who is the responsible? If GMC is not responsible, the minister
It is a collective responsibility of the government. Because ultimately decisions were taken at the government level. So they have to see, it's the responsibility of the government to provide oxygen. Is it the responsibility of the GMC doctor to provide oxygen?
See, it is the responsibility of the chief minister as well as the health minister. Let us make things very clear. You can't absolve them of their
And
responsibility.
Tanto's report सांगेता.
You can't absolve them of their responsibility. There is no question.
Report is not of private party. Report is of the committee appointed by the government.
And can you tell me that the dean is responsible for this thing? Can one of you tell me the dean is responsible for this thing? I would ask you a question. Can anybody say that the dean of the medical college or the doctors of the medical college are responsible for it? What, they didn't get medicine properly? They didn't know how to diagnose? What was the reason? whether they are producing oxygen and they were not able to produce the oxygen.
Remember, you think health minister should be resigned?
Sorry?
Health minister
We
should
have
be resigned.
said that entire government does not deserve to continue in power. They have failed and they lose the right to govern the state. Very clear.
It is for the public to note the way the government functions, whereas all the different directions, such as law and order, health, or let us say many other factors where petty crimes are taking place. This is a touristic state. Tourists will be frightened to come here. Of course, the disease has come, it's nobody's fault, it's all over the world. People have to take care and all that. But that does not mean that those in power should forget their responsibilities.
Thanks.
Remember, sir, one more thing. Yesterday, CM had said he have a fight a lot of MLAs. So you people be careful.
काय बरं कोण आडायणार तांकां कोणाकडे व्हायला कोणा खबर कोणा जाय तांकां जाय तांचे व्हॅली काडचे न्ही तूंच बदल स्टेटमेंट कित्याक करपाक जाय
Take out the file.